In today's video, we would be discussing with you the journey of All India Rank 1 Tane Gaurav in RBI Grade B 2024. So we had this opportunity, Jalaj sir talked to him, interviewed him about his journey. तो उसमें से हम कुछ 5 points डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. Now why you should listen to these 5 points? देखिए काफ़ी एस्पिरेंट्स की जर्नी में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते हैं. इनकी जर्नी में भी, तने गौरव की जर्नी में भी मिस्टेक्स हैं, सेटबैक्स है, सक्सेस है. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें इनकी सक्सेस स्टोरी के ये कुछ पॉइंट्स जानकर क्लैरिटी और मोटिवेशन मिलेगी. तो आप इसको ज़रूर सुने, बट अपने अकॉर्डिंग कस्टमाइज ज़रूर करें, सिर्फ कॉपी पेस्ट मत करें. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जलज सर, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू दैट ऑफिशियल लिस्ट इज नॉट out through RTI that who is rank 1, rank 2. Now, how can we say that Tane Gaurav is rank 1? There must be some basis for it.
Right, sir. So this we are saying and this we are assuming right now, sir, that he is rank one because he has got like 250 plus when
259.
259 when it comes to the entire, I would say, selection procedure. So I think this will be the highest marks. But again, we are assuming right now, and we
Based
are
on the Telegram.
based on the Telegram input. Plus, we have talked to some students and they are claiming that he has got the highest marks.
तो इन लोगों का एक टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है सिलेक्टेड लोगों का, वहाँ पे सब लोगों ने आपस में मार्क्स शेयर किए हैं. उसमें 60 लोग हैं, दो दी नंबर ऑफ सीट्स आर 66. सो उन सीट्स में से उन लोगों में से जो 60 लोग हैं, तने गौरव के हाईएस्ट मार्क्स हैं. तो इफ़ नॉट रैंक 1 वी कैन से पॉसिबली रैंक 1, बट मैं ये बोलूँगा कि यार रैंक अब 1 2 3 ठीक है, बट इनके मार्क्स आर रियली गुड. आई थिंक 194 इन फेज 2 प्लस 65 इन इंटरव्यू. दैट्स अमाउंट राइट टू अराउंड 260. सो दीज मार्क्स आर रियली गुड और इनकी जर्नी में जानना ज़रूर चाहिए. तो जलद सर, आप क्या पॉइंट्स यू वुड लाइक टू टेल अबाउट हिज जर्नी?
So first and the foremost one is like many students are claiming कि ये तने का first attempt था, but I think I have talked to him and this was his second attempt. In the first attempt, sir, what happened with Tane is, and he has officially confirmed this in our success story also, that he cleared phase one, cleared phase two, and then he was called for interview. But sir, when document verification was happening, because there is a process which happens, then only you go to the interview room. In the document verification, Tane was not allowed to give interview itself. Like this was totally shocking to me. This was related to the eligibility, related to the educational qualification. Actually, RBI has set a deadline that after this deadline you cannot take your graduation certificates or something like that. और तने के केस में वो 8 day का delay था. So basically, Tane was not fulfilling the eligibility criteria just by 8 days. So therefore, he was not allowed to give the RBI interview of the year 2023. 2024 में he became eligible because the date obviously changed. And this year, he got 65 in interview. So this was his second attempt. Although you can say कि हाँ first practical attempt on all that stuff, but if you see the analysis, first attempt was 2023 and this is the second attempt.
तो मतलब ऐसी मिस्टेक हो सकती हैं फ्रॉम एन ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 पर्सन ऑल्सो, एंड दैट्स वाई यू शुड टेक एलिजिबिलिटी वेरी सीरियसली. तो सर, व्हेन ही came to knew about his mistake, he was about to give the interview and he was not allowed to give. That must be a big setback for him. तो इससे बड़ा सेटबैक शायद नहीं होगा. मतलब ठीक है, आपका फेज 1 क्लियर नहीं होता है, फेज 2 क्लियर नहीं होता है, सारे सेटबैक्स हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर देयर, यू हैव क्वालिफाइड फॉर इंटरव्यू, यू आर एट द इंटरव्यू प्लेस, you are doing your document verification, just next is the door where you want to enter and give this interview.
Right.
You are not allowed. So उस setback के बाद how he felt and how did he now overcome all about this, tell us.
Right, sir. Sir, in this particular process, his overall family, specifically the parents, played a very important role. His parents motivated him that कोई बात नहीं, it's just an event. You have to come back stronger. And he was a full-time student also. Like वो होता है ना कि सब पूरे टाइम पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग और दिमाग में ख्याल भी आते रहते हैं. But his parents supported him and he was like, if RBI has not been successful for me in 2023, 2024 is my year. And throughout his success story, sir, he was quite joyful, quite cheerful as well. And I made a comment in the last also because I took his story. I told to him that it is probably that I'm talking to a future deputy governor, because he is like, if I'm not wrong, he's just less than 25. I do not remember the exact years, but he is like too much young. Plus, he is like joyful. He is full of learnings. So I think he is a bright kid altogether, and it was pleasure to talk to him.
And Jalal sir was telling me he's from IIT Kharagpur. So I think he has all the potential, though many non-IITians are also clearing RBI Grade B exam. और क्या पॉइंट बताना चाहेंगे सर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू प्रिपरेशन, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू टेल?
Right, sir. With preparation, the first thing is this revision strategy. We always, sir, as a teacher, used to tell our students that revision karo, revision karo. Tane is the epitome of revision. He used to follow one strategy which I am able to recall active recalling. The name of the strategy is active recalling. In active recalling, what happens is you complete your register, like 7 to 8 topics you have done. Then you close the register and then you try to recall the points which you have gone through the initial, I would say, studies. So this he followed regularly. And with this, he was like, yes, he was doing the revisions every now and then. And this he followed in 2023, 2024 as well. So this is how revision makes you a better product for any exam, be it RBI, NABARD, IDI. But through Tane, we can definitely say कि revision करना है, तभी जाके आप failures को दूर रख सकते हो. Otherwise,
So active recalling matlab is like you don't open your book, you close your book and try to recall that what did you read, so that now it's not like reading, it's like remembering, recalling. That's
yes,
great.
and you try to recall maximum points because definitely, if I'm reading 100 topics in management, I won't be able to recall all the 100. But he said to me that he was able to recall almost like 70 to 80% topics, and exam 70 to 80% में ही आएगा. Like extra which we gave to you, it's just for value addition, but exam जो 70-80% में ही आना है. So this was his strategy related to revision.
And sir, anything else with respect to descriptive writing, quant reasoning that he told you?
So quant reasoning for an IIT Kharagpur student, I think it was not that much challenging. Yes, journal awareness was a bit challenging, but he was preparing for UPSC also. So his sum of your preparation was done. But when it comes to descriptive writing, he again followed a good strategy, which I think was like he made his own quality fodder material. He never read what other coaching providers are providing fodder material. He made his own fodder material. What he did is he analyzed the previous year questions of last, I would say 3 years if I'm not wrong, and then he selected the topics like women empowerment, entrepreneurship, startups, and all those stuff. He collected some topics and then he wrote certain points on these topics. And then again the same revision strategy.
Some data points, as in this report says this on women entrepreneurship, this report says this on say entrepreneurship,
employment,
some scheme on some topic. So like this, he made 6-7 points on the 100 topics he thought that they are important for the exam. Great.
like 80 to 100 topics, not exact 100, but even if you do this stuff, like it's a very big task to do. And first he has to plan it, what topics he have to take, therefore previous year questions are important. And then he made his own quality fodder material, which he do not even have to, like he do not have to remember so much, because once you write a point, that you have written a point, right? And then through active recalling, with strategy he followed, he was able to recall multiple stuff.
Nice. And sir, overall, how was his vision about this exam? You said he was preparing for UPSC also. So did he have that clarity कि मुझे RBI करना है, या it was just sort of a side gig?
Right. Sir, actually, he graduated in 2023. So his 2023 in RBI was the first attempt. Then he prepared for UPSC as well, but he was not able to clear it due to some of his issues. And then he was having a clarity कि मेरे को RBI फोड़ना है. And he was not preparing for other exams like many bank PO and IBPS. He was having a clarity that I want to do something which makes sense, which makes an impact in the Indian financial system and Indian economy. Although UPSC नहीं हुआ, now he is AIR1 in RBI, so it shows कि अगर भगवान ने आपके लिए कुछ अच्छा नहीं सोचा है तो बहुत कुछ अच्छा आगे plan करा होगा. So this makes sure that he was having a brilliant roadmap with respect to clarity कि उसे करना क्या है. So if you are confused, like many students are confused, right? So that confusion has to be removed, and then you have to work proper with full confidence and with good strategy.
And he was not there for any paid courses also. मतलब उन्होंने कोई भी paid course नहीं लिया है as per what he told us. So इसमें भी एक बहुत बड़ी achievement है sir कि without coaching, without any paid course, he was able to crack the exam.
Right. Because like we always encourage self-study, because self-study is, I think, the best studies which students can do. But still, sir, what he said to me is like he followed our YouTube videos, mock interview program. So wherever EduTab was helping us, we gave him, but all credits to him. The way he talked to me in interview, like आपको लग जाएगा कि हाँ सामने वाले बंदे में बहुत दम है.
और उन्होंने I think बहुत सारे sources use किए हैं और बहुत सारे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स के फ्री मटेरियल पढ़े हैं. इनफैक्ट वो शायद ये भी बता रहे थे कि एक कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का फ्री कोर्स भी था उनके पास. बट खुद से खरीदा नहीं उन्होंने कुछ, सो यू कैन से काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन विदाउट कोचिंग, क्योंकि सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन भी यही है कि आप खुद से चीज़ें ढूंढें, क्यूरेट करें एंड यू प्रायोरिटाइज थिंग्स। तो काफ़ी सही है। और आई थिंक एक और चीज़ है कि ही वॉज अ फ्रेशर विदाउट एनी वर्क एक्सपीरियंस। तो बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यार वर्क एक्सपीरियंस के बिना हाउ वुड आई बी एबल टू मेक इट। सो you not only get selected, you get AIR rank 1, you get 65 in the interview. That shows that they're not biased, that you need to have a work experience, then only you will get good marks in the interview. So it's all about, I think, your talent.
One more thing, sir, he was damn consistent. 7 to 8 hours on trot, which was again a very tough thing to do, because 7 to 8 hours out of your 24 hours looks very big. So many students who are like full-time students take the example from Tane. Like you do not even have to ask us कि कितना पढ़ना है. He was having a target-based study कि 7-8 घंटे में जितना हुआ best है. So this shows that अगर बंदे को करना होगा वो कर लेगा.
So that's all. मैं ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं रखना चाहता इस वीडियो को. I think you would have got some idea about his journey. Mistakes भी की, एलिजिबल तक नहीं थे तब भी एग्ज़ाम दिया, setbacks मिले, but he conquered. So there's a lot to learn with respect to motivation, with respect to clarity from him. And obviously you can also take some points from his preparation strategy, but I think वो शायद अलग अलग होगी सबकी. So you need to customize it accordingly. So I take your leave for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.